Hey guys, let me introduce imageJ in this video. There is a more powerful version of imageJ called Fiji, and let's look at this. This is the download interface, and if you click on the Windows download, it will start downloading the file. It is about 300 megabyte. It takes a few minutes to download, so I will not wait but show you what I have. I have it relocated to my documents folder and the Fiji app. Download this is Fiji app. I double click it, and here there is imageJ Windows 64 exe. You click it, then you see a window. Here, this is the window, and although it looks simple, it can do a lot of stuff. Let me open a image. It is a blood stain sample. I believe it is from 90 degree. Yeah, here it is. So let's see what we can do. I think the most relevant analysis is to do the particle analysis, but because there are edges and this number, I need to crop it. I need to select the area that is the most interesting, well, not including the handwriting, which will be duplicate. Okay, so we're working on this duplicated image without margins, without handwritings. First of all, I want to pre-process the image. Clicking image, adjust, and click color threshold. Well, basically it will convert the image into something like a binary image, but still maintaining the color. So we're kind of removing the grayscale information, and we're just focusing on the margins. So you just click close, and then analysis, analyze particles. It will ask you, what do you want to see? Do you want to see everything, or do you want to see only large particles or small particles? Or that is what the size is taking care of. And say, do you want to see very round particles, which means a circularity is 1? Or do you want to see very irregular, not round particles, which means the circularity is 0? And we say we want to see everything. And we want to see the outlines. Here, bare outlines, and click OK. Then it will pop out a new window having all the outlines that it can find, and you can tell it produces 1600 particles, which means it basically looks at everything, and for every spot it gives a number. So if you want to look at a particular number, you can go to this manager window, not this one. Where's the manager? This is result, which is really nice, and this is the manager. Where is it? Did I have to close it? Probably. But nevertheless, since there are so many particles and we don't really need that many, we want to reset our threshold and redo the analysis. This time, let's analyze it with a size that are larger than 100, and maybe it can go as high as it can. Okay, and after we redo it, see, there are much fewer particles remain. If we want to look at, and let me see if I can redo it to show the masks. Maybe make the size even larger. Okay. Tell me where it is. But nevertheless, I think I will work on it later. But nevertheless, it gives all the area of interest. Say it's called the region of interest, and there are only 19 area that we are going to look at. And see, there are some irregularities because there are some spots that are merged together. So we can exclude that for further analysis. And okay. And if we look at the result, it indeed gives a very thorough description of each area. It says the whole area. It gives the XY value, and well, the width, the height, and the angles, the circularities, and ferret. I have this manual that explains what each parameter stands for, but basically it calculates a lot of features for each region, which is really nice. And you can see that we can narrow down our interest into just a few spots instead of looking at everything. And by setting out the threshold, there is no need to pick up each spot manually. I think I still need to open the manager to show what it's doing, but for some reason I cannot find it. Download. Where's my? Okay, I think I'll stop here. Let me know if you have additional questions, and I'll try to clarify myself better.